Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into products so you can make the best choices for your self-care routine. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss an honest review. Now let's talk about something a little different today, but just as essential. Dental care. We're looking at the Waterpik genuine compact size replacement brush heads with covers for the Sonic Fusion Flossing Toothbrush, 6 count in white. If you've struggled with flossing effectively or keeping your brushing routine fresh, this could be a game changer. These replacement brush heads are designed specifically for all Waterpik Sonic Fusion and Sonic Fusion Professional Flossing Toothbrush models. They come in a compact size, ideal for targeted cleaning, and Waterpik recommends swapping them out every 3 months. The brush heads feature a high-low bristle pattern that works with the built-in flossing technology to remove plaque and debris between teeth and below the gum line. This package includes 6 brush heads, 3 with white rings and 3 with chrome rings, plus covers, so multiple users in your household can keep their brushes hygienic. In my experience, switching these into my routine was seamless. They fit perfectly on the Sonic Fusion handle, and the soft bristles really do provide a gentle yet thorough clean. I tested them during my morning and evening routines, and I could feel how they reached areas that traditional brushing often misses. The color-coded rings are a simple but smart touch, keeping things organized when sharing the toothbrush. On the downside, if you're someone who prefers extra firm bristles, these might feel a bit soft, but that softness is actually beneficial for protecting gums while still removing plaque effectively. Now, let's talk about value. At this price point, getting 6 brush heads with protective covers is reasonable. You're paying for convenience, compatibility, and effective flossing technology that works hand in hand with the Sonic Fusion system. Compared to other replacement brush heads on the market, these match or exceed quality standards, and the color coding plus covers are features you don't always get elsewhere. The build quality is excellent. The bristles are sturdy, the heads snap securely onto the handle, and the covers help maintain hygiene if you travel or store them for a few weeks. In terms of longevity, following the recommended 3-month replacement cycle ensures your brushing remains as effective as possible. If this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. While I haven't personally had to contact Waterpik's customer support, the brand is generally known for responsive and helpful service, which adds a layer of confidence when investing in their products. If you're looking for alternatives on a budget, some third-party brush heads may be cheaper, but they often compromise on fit, bristle design, or hygiene covers, so sticking with the genuine Waterpik heads is usually the safer bet. In summary, these Waterpik compact replacement brush heads deliver on performance, hygiene, and convenience. They're ideal for anyone using a Sonic Fusion toothbrush, and the color-coded system plus covers are a thoughtful addition for households or travel. If you're serious about maintaining optimal oral care with minimal hassle, these are worth considering. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. Don't forget, the link to grab your brush heads is in the comments. Let me know if you've tried them and what you think.